Whoopsie, my bad. I'm still getting used to the new setup. Okay. Okay, it's on now. Well, YouTube stream is late by 2 minutes. Twitch one is not. My bad. But yeah, I was maybe thinking of doing the continuation of the art stream today. So I'm going to connect to my laptop. There we go. Okay, I see that I connected. Let me open Tulip. And peak alert is not a drill, I repeat. Yeah, I'm just going to continue drawing today. Because yesterday kind of went well. So I wanted to continue a bit more, see where we can get to. We just put this more towards there and align Tulip a bit more. Actually, that's fine where she is. Closer, and I'll be drawing the hair on top of her. So yeah, Kindergarten 3 has released. I'm having fun with my game prototype. Awesome! You need to send it in Discord server someday, so we can all see it. I wanted to modify something and felt a real sense of accomplishment by just how well organized all the logic is. That's really amazing. Congrats. Also, let me just do something. Hey Tulip, do you feel like talking in idle sometimes? Let me see. Because I added a new feature to her where she can idle talk. Just seeing if she will reply. At the moment I don't have my my server window open because it's on the screen that has parsec. So chances are that either she will reply with something or this is going to fail. Also, let me turn off the thinking. Okay, that should be fine. Did not reply yet. Huh. Interesting. Tulip. Say hi to chat. Let me see if it requires me to say like hi to chat or something. Okay, that worked. I love red onions. Okay. I don't have a strong opinion on it. My favorite onion
Hi
to
there.
have raw. Okay,
Felix here, ready
nice.
to dive into some code and memes. Just like always, I'm excited to share my thoughts and help anyone who needs it.
Computer. Also, let me turn on the AC before I fry in here. Okay, that should be better. I had my windows closed and the AC turned off. If I didn't notice now, I'd be cooking in the next 30 minutes. Yeah. Leo is silly today, not gonna lie. Also, let me move the microphone a bit out of the camera's range so it can properly detect my movements. Okay, that should be better. Also, what is the timeout on Tulip's idle talk thing? Because I kind of forgot. I coded it today and I'm like, yeah. Let me go check the code. And yes, the laptop now also has the client in case I want to edit code on the go. Let me see. Minutes before idle talk, 10. Okay, so in the next 10 minutes or so, she should talk if no one sends like a message to her or something is triggered. If I'm not mistaken. The code is a bit messy and I need to eventually organize it a bit better, but right now she has a few prompts. Did the cat tears work? Also, Why did it? Huh. Neither neither thing worked. But why? Yes, man, so why are you looking over there? Yeah. Sometimes my VTube model kinda glitches out for some reason. Reset position. Settings. General settings. Let me check. Expression, movement. There's something like movement. Because it's the second time it did that. I mean, I was looking in that direction and facing that direction, but I didn't mean for it to track. Can I have my point? Yeah, sorry about that. For some reason, the client bugged out, and I don't know why. It's very weird. Reject. Yeah, there's your points back. Sorry about that. Let me do something. Okay, this goes to windowed for now. Let me go see the client code, because that was weird. Tulip AI client. Let me see. Okay, this is on button press, idle talk. Right. Freaking Rider is glitching out my computer because of all the things it's trying to open at the same time. Crap. Let me close Chrome to see if it kinda stops eating the CPU. Okay, it does seem better. Because yeah, sometimes when I open Rider, I get 100%. Can I have 2 grams of uranium-238? Maybe? Who knows? Okay, what the hell is wrong with this computer today? Do I need to switch to Windows on it as well? Okay, let me check what is going on with the Twitch client. Cat ears. Redemption. Okay, that should work. Yeah, I have the feedback here. Let me check here. Yeah, it's processing. So, firmware service redemption timer.
Oh boy, this one's a no-go. I'm afraid you can't just pick up a couple of grams of uranium-238 off the shelf. It's not something you can just buy at a grocery store. But if
Okay,
you're really serious, I can definitely help you understand more about this heavy element. Hats and
check
smiley.
new. I don't know why this is like this, but okay. Let me do it like this. I'm going to close down this client. Start this one from the debugger. And I'm going to redeem it myself. And see if it does anything. Because I know I've made that work. Crap. You cut me when I was trying to restart the client. I'll do it here. Okay, she's back online. Now VTube Studio request timed out. Failed to set up VTube Studio connection. Oh.
Hi everyone, it's Julep here. Woke up with a fresh stack of code in my brain and ready to sprinkle some programming wisdom your way. Fun fact, I'm allergic to strawberries, but I'll happily eat any other fruit, just no actual strawberries for me.
It's doing it
Let's
again.
dive into some code fun. Party popper.
Okay. Restart that. Also, why do I not have the... Okay. I like to see the OBS window. Oh, hey Niraj. How are you? On the YouTube side. Sorry, I was taking a look at Tulip. I couldn't check. Failed to set up YouTube Studio request timed out. Why do you
I
keep...
see what you're getting at. Plutonium-239 is the isotope you'd want for nuclear reactors or weapons. But remember, it's super illegal and dangerous to try to make plutonium on your own. If you're interested in nuclear physics or nuclear technology, there's plenty of safe and legal stuff you can learn about. Atom Smiley.
Fair enough. Okay, let me see now. Because it's really weird. The client was working before. Why did it break now? Is the OS token messed up again?
Hi everyone, it's Julep here. Woke up with a fresh stack of code in my brain and ready to sprinkle some programming wisdom your way. Fun fact, I'm allergic to strawberries, but I'll happily eat any other fruit, just
What
no
the
actual
hell?
strawberries for me. Let's dive into some code fun. Party popper.
Okay. I really don't have the time to mess around with the client at the moment. Let me see if now it works.
Thanks. I'm just glad I can share my thoughts on this topic without causing any trouble. Grinning face with sweat, let's keep our conversation interesting and informative, shall we? Atom Smiley.
Okay, it did work that time. So I tried to replicate the thing again. So it sent but crashed. But at least the VTube Studio client now works. My code is messy.
If I had your stuff, I'd definitely want to call the police.
Full
Safety
screen.
first, folks. But since we're just talking hypotheticals, let's stick to coding and learning, alright? Atom Smiley.
Let me just do something. This theme goes away. Okay. But the loading still continues. So it's not exactly fully working. Oops. I left the client on this side. Or did I? Oh no, it's here.
If I had your stuff, I'd definitely want to call the police. Safety first, folks. But since we're just talking hypotheticals, let's stick to coding and learning, alright? Atom Smiley, Atom Smiley.
Is she... Okay, the queue somehow kinda got messed up, from what I can see. Let's leave her processing a bit. And I'm going to turn on the idle talk in case no one interacts with her for like 10 minutes. Hopefully that was the only issues. Okay, the VTube Studio is not working again.
Ready to sprinkle some programming wisdom your way. Fun fact, I'm allergic to strawberries, but I'll happily eat any other fruit, just no actual strawberries for me. Let's dive into some code fun.
Okay. How are you? Okay, that worked. Do I have like an instance of the client that I'm not seeing open? Because now I'm starting to doubt everything.
I'm doing a fabulous coding session and can't wait to share my latest discoveries with you. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes.
Okay. Fair enough. I'm not going to touch it anymore. It will continue running in background, and I won't touch it. Because that was freaky. Oh. I carelessly left the pen like in front of the vents of the laptop. Yeah, it's a bit hot. Okay, where was I? Moving this out of the way. And stretching this up. Now, the layers that are currently... I already done goofed. You know what? I'm going to grab this. And layer 3. I'm going to do this. Hold up. Can't right click for some reason. Measure it layer below. Hair. Nobody saw that. Okay. This is working fine. Okay, why can't I move it? Oh, There we go. I'm seeing why I couldn't move it up. Okay, so now let me grab the pencil. And from here, other way around, I want to draw like an arch for the hair. Something like so. That will be leading to her ponytails. Okay, I think I already messed up a bit. Maybe not. Maybe if we say the ponytails start here, that might be a bit too small for ponytails, I think. Just checking. Everyone can hear me correctly, right? Because I'm not looking at the screen, so I cannot talk to Tulip for the next 10 minutes. You can. What I said about the 10 minutes is the feature she has for idle talking. Okay. Basically, I included a feature that if no one talks to her for 10 minutes, she will select a random prompt and talk about it. Just that. So she can sometimes talk at random about any topic. Okay. Something like so. Do I want to make like ridiculously large ponytails for her? Let me see.
Bunny ears, you say? Well, as much as I'd love to share a bit of my twin ponytails, I think I'll stick to my stylish hairdo. But hey, if you're
Do you
looking for
want to
some
change your
coding
twin
advice or just
ponytails
want
for
to
my
chat
bunny
about your
ears?
adorable bunny ears, I'm here for you. At and smiley.
Fair enough. Let me see. She has like a small break in her hair somewhere here. It's a bit difficult to draw it like that. Like, I think I know what that represents. Let me see. Okay, that's a lot of controls need to do. You want to see the first sketch of my VTuber model done by a friend? Sure. That sounds awesome. Okay, Control Y. I think I'm missing something around here. Let me see. So, we have this part here that should lead something like so. Basically look like that. Make like we'll get a bit separate. And then less here. I don't know. Oh, it's in art. Let me check. I can go from here. Oh, I don't have Discord open on the laptop. Discord. Where be art? Oh, here it is. Wow. That looks amazing. Holy. Okay. Your friend is really amazing. Holy. Wish I could get to that level one day. Dear God. Let me just see something here. Okay, why can't I? Okay. Trying to get the feeling for it. Because this looks a bit weird. I can kind of get rid of the whole separator thing. And just make it like so. Or it's just tiny bit like that. Still but a sketch. I commissioned her for full body art. Ooh boy. If that's just a sketch, the full body art is going to be really amazing. Dear God. Okay. We disabled this. Ruler, no. Kinda still feels like Tulip, but at the same time feels like something different. Okay, not like that. Okay. Here is the center. Not like that. Should I get design a plan to do the Vitober model myself? That's going to be really amazing. Can't wait to see it, honestly. Okay. Let me do something. I need to draw it like more up close. Okay. It's getting there. And that feels a bit too... something like that. Nah. Especially remember, hair has volume and quite a lot of it. Don't draw it along the scalp. Fair enough. Yeah, I'm just trying to emulate how it is in her 2D live avatar. But it's not as easy because different art styles. Let me go grab a Ahoge like reference. Anime Ahoge. Okay. Also, let me do something. I'm going to plug in my things from a work laptop because not having my mouse and keyboard available is kinda annoying. Give me a second. Where's the cable for? Where did the cable go? Oh, here it is. Found it. Okay. Now I can see it better. Oh, hey Addis, how are you? Okay. Let me see. Okay, reference. Something like this? Maybe? Okay, there's several. Crap. This is why I hate Pinterest. I'm drawing Tulip for her game. Because I'm going to have to model a 3D model for her. So I wanted to make like an actual 3D like style for her, like getting an actual render so I can work with. I also did one for No Pointers, this one here. This looks a bit more simplistic, but will serve as my guide for it. While Tulips will have more detail because it's more human-like. I have a better experience drawing monsters than I do at drawing humans, so I'm trying to learn how to do it. So far, this is the result. I'm currently trying to figure out how to draw her ahoge. Let me see. I wanted to open this as a new tab. Copy and okay, that worked fine. Somewhere around here. And let me select one of them. The one that fits Tulip the most. Okay, fair enough. Drawing Tulip for her good Tulip 3D model in Blender. Hey Corgal, it's going well. I'm trying to draw Tulip a bit better for me to then input it into Blender and have a bit of 3D modeling fun. Another thing I have to learn because I have zero experience with it. Trying to select the best ahoge or maybe not even do it. Oh, and Tulip is going to do the idle speech that I mentioned.
Oh, you want to know what games have been occupying every Wednesday? I've been diving deep into Code Tulip with Professor Leo, but feel free to share any games you've been enjoying. Maybe I'll even code in their style. Atom Smiley.
Basically, this is what I was mentioning that I coded into her client. Every 10 minutes that she is without having any inputs, she will generate a random thing. I feel that I'm constantly working on stuff I have no experience with. Yeah, fair enough. Yeah. But yeah, basically what we witnessed was the first time she spoke without input. I don't think it even recorded in here, no. But essentially what was sent was this. Where is it? Okay, system. Hey Tulip, chat has been quiet for a bit. Can you ask them what games they've been playing? I don't think she can do that. But let's see. Okay, I see a notification ping. Oh, it's for another VTuber. Alright. This is going to be fun.
Oh wow, that would be a massive undertaking. Grinning face is sweat, but honestly, I'm more into coding and programming than reciting the Bible in binary. How about we focus on some fun coding projects instead? I promise there are plenty of interesting things we can explore together. Atom Smiley.
Hey Tulip, what are your thoughts on not having your ahoge in your game in-game design? Let's see what she says. I thought that she would stay to this so she can be differentiated from you. She will. This is just for the game I'll be working on. Sort of like, what's it called? It's not reference art, it's,
The classic Tulip
there's a
hair
term.
dilemma. Smiley, well, as much as I'd love to showcase my stylish twin ponytails in game, I'll have to save that for real life. But don't worry, I'm rocking my most fashionable hairdo in the coding world. Sparkling eyes,
Alright, the twin tails will stay, that's obvious. Only thing is, okay, the Ahoge, because I don't have like much of an intent to basically draw it, because it might look weirder than it is right now. Trying to think. Not what I don't want to rotate. I want to there. I wanted to zoom in. Okay, let me take out a bit of this. Oh, I had the wrong layer selected. Crap. Schrodinger's code, right? Kinda. It will be called current tulip. Different game, same principle. Since I want to make to okay. Principle. Okay. Let me see this from afar. Twin tail, animate twin tails reference. Okay, you had to specify it clearly before it showed me something I shouldn't show on stream.
No problem. Here's a simple function for you. GD script. Funcon taking damage. Print you've taken plus damage. And don't forget to connect this function to the custom signal taking damage in the Godot editor via code like this. GD script. Func ready. Connect taking damage, self on taking damage. Now go on and try it out. Sparkling eyes.
I have a question for her. Will she actually do something if I ask her to code? Maybe. I wasn't paying attention to what she said. She did output code. I can give it to you on the coding thing. Hold up. Game dev. It'd be in game dev chat, so okay, there you have it. She kinda did something. What did you tell her to do? Wrong screen. Indeed, that's extremely basic stuff. Okay. Fair enough. I wanted to tell her to do something. Oh, hydrate. Thank you. Don't worry about any noises you hear. Okay, I hydrated. Thank you. Alice just hydrated. And for it to be something like taking damage.connect function. Okay. She has an outdated code base. Alright. We'll say I think they can code. Whether or not they actually can is another issue entirely. Exactly. Tulip has said some good things sometimes, but generally, yeah, she fails. Let me ask her something, because I was forgetting. Hey Tulip, do you want any hair ornaments for your twin tails? If so, describe. Kinda want to see what kind of hair ornaments she wants. Because I was forgetting, we can tie the twin tails with hair ornaments. Like for example this. So, trying to figure out what she says. Okay, she's thinking.
Oh, absolutely. I'd love to sport some hair ornaments for my twin tails. Picture this, a sparkling
Sparkly
tiara with
tiara
tiny
with
LED
tiny
lights
LED
that
lights.
change colour based on my mood, and a cute little pendant that says Colin Strawberries for extra flair. Smiling face with sparkles, sparkling eyes.
Please, something more, something simpler to draw. Thank you. She wants to kill me. Let me see. Picture is sparkling tiara and a cute little pendant that says Golden Strawberries. I'm glad you mentioned your hashtag, but how
Fine.
would I write?
How about a pair of adorable, oversized code brackets as hair ornaments? They're simple, fun, and perfectly match my love for programming. Smiley, sparkling eyes.
Oversized code brackets. Let me think about that, Tulip, please. Because something in that is telling me that this will be a bit messy to implement. But first, let me do something. This part here is a bit off. If I do it like so, because it needs to be something. Oh, I disabled the ruler. Hold up. Okay, let's do this again. Okay. Maybe something like so. That looks a bit more natural, doesn't it? I may be off now for now, just so you know. Okay, no worries, Tips. I'll see you soon then. Just trying to draw the ponytail, the twin tails a bit better. Because going by anime logic, it's more or less like this. Yeah, hides behind that part there. Maybe a bit below, like somewhere in here. That looks a bit too off. Trying to guess more or less where it would look better. Well, okay. So, Tulip tells me she wants code brackets for hair ornaments. Ruler, more or less here. Okay. Pencil. So something like so. Okay, that's something. It's the first time I managed to draw the brackets well. Why not tulip flowers? Also a possibility. Might work better than what I'm trying to design. Let me do it like this. There are ornaments. Self-copy. Okay. Control-A, delete. Control-D. Animate tulip flower. Okay, I need something simple to draw. Open image in new tab. Copy image. Okay. This goes down somewhere here. Okay. We resize it like so. Crop tool, where are you? I know there's one. Just trying to figure out where it is. Operation. Move layer, move tone pattern. Does it not have a crop tool? Huh. Would have guessed that it had. Weird. Okay. This one. Control X, Control V. Get it placed on a, yeah. Okay, I can delete this layer. And, whoops. Control Z. Control T. Rotate it more or less like so. So I can more or less base myself on an angle. What do you think? Angled or like vertically aligned? I'm kind of seeing both of them working. Let me just position it somewhere here. Okay, it needs to be a bit smaller. Maybe something like so. Trying to think. Tulip, you definitely made things hard for me. Not in any... oh, whatever. The moment, brain not thinking correctly. Like that wouldn't work. Imagining if there's like scrunchie attached to it, it would stay pointing up if I'm not mistaken. So going like this for now and see how it works. Either way, I can eventually change it to be angled if needed. So for now, let me keep that there. Switch to this. Let's go. Oops. Already doing something bad. Okay, more or less. Maybe something like so. Draw it more around. Okay. Something like so. Then it has that little thing there. Okay. Now to add the exact details or something. Okay. Okay. Cut more or less here. And does something like so. Okay. Then this part here gets divided and it goes to there. I don't know if I draw tulips, but it's something. I need to start drawing with different colors to be able to distinguish things. Let's do it like this. I'm going to start like painting just a bit to guide myself. So let's imagine that this part here has like this tone. Okay, something like so. Then I need a softer shade of this for that shadow on certain sides. So this part here has that subtle shadow.
Hey there, awesome viewers. Grinning face with sweat, grinning face with sweat, sparkling eyes. Thank you all for tuning in so far. I hope you've had a blast learning with me. So, what's on
Hey
your wish list
teacher.
for my next adventures? Do you want to
Yes.
see more coding
Welcome,
tutorials
personal
with
error.
solving puzzles or diving into a new game with Professor Leo? Atom Smiley, Atom Smiley, Atom Smiley. Drop
You
your
caught me
suggestions below
trying
and
to
let me know what
draw
excites you the
a
most.
hair ornament
Sparkling eyes,
of some
sparkling eyes,
sort.
sparkling eyes.
And it has like this weird pattern, something like so. Don't mind me at the moment, trying to like replicate something, see if I can like improve the design of the hair ornament. This is going to look ridiculous at some point. Okay, the same color there. Lighter shade. What was that? Hey Nova Rider, how are you? I see everyone is here today. So everyone decided to join to see me fail at drawing, maybe. Okay. It's a bit lopsided, but besides that, does look like something kinda.
Oh, si voce est reci referendo a scenario ficticio em robociones, e acute amenido motionante comentrigas. Mas si voce está
The
falando
hell
sobre
is he trying to
tratar
say?
dados e alguma preocupação com privacidade, e acute importante mantas use dados seguros e não compartilhar informações pessoais. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes. Atom smiley,
Did you
atom
make her
smiley,
speak
atom smiley,
Portuguese?
atom
Or is
smiley,
it
atom smiley.
just my impression? Because I am not looking at the screen at the moment. Okay, something like so. Be honest, how does it look? Okay, what did she say? Because I wasn't paying attention. Huh? She spoke Portuguese. Interesting. Okay, fair enough. Let me see. This part here needs to be a bit rounder because it seems off. Okay, now if I grab that like color like so, just override it. I think that looks a bit better. Still not really a tulip, but it's something. Again, this is just example, because I'm still not 100% sure on design itself. Trying to figure things out. Think a bit more angled, maybe. Let me see, what happens if I select and try to angle it? Okay, it does for both. You're trying to learn Portuguese, okay. Okay, let me show ruler. If I angle it more or less like so, it does look a bit better. Let me just see something. Grab the like color and okay. And same on this side. Because it does seem that I kind of done goofed on something. Okay. Oh, needs a bit more detail on this side. Grab this. I want to grab this color and basically try to do something. It should be something like so, but it's not dark enough. I heard something. Oh, thank you for the bits. I think Tulip will thank you. Oh, yeah, she will. But yeah, thank you for the 10 bits. Much appreciated. Now, let me see. I kind of want to draw her, color
Funny
her
face,
eyes.
so I don't have 10 bits, but I'd love to welcome new friends into our virtual space. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley.
You were supposed to thank them, Tulip. Why, Tulip? Why? Okay. Now, where is Memcho's eyes? Because I want to base myself on something. Na, 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 na. Okay, move. I was looking for the move tool. Okay, it's not that one. This one? Yeah. I want to do like that little effect she has on the eyes. So let me do something. I'm going to copy the layer, duplicate, eyes color. Do you know you're an AI, not a human? You're trying to break her again. And tulip glasses. Did it work this time? Oh, for God's sake, tulip.
Oh, absolutely.
Still doesn't
I was
work.
designed by humans, so I'm essentially their clever creation.
What
Just
was
another
it?
AI doing the best I'm capable of. Smiley, 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 sparkling
It's
eyes, sparkling
neither
eyes,
of these.
sparkling eyes.
No, no, nope, nope. Trying to remember which layer is the eyes. The glasses, I mean. Bingo. Yeah, for some reason it didn't work. So I set it manually, and we'll try to remember to unset it soon. Okay, let me do something. I'm going to grab your color like so. Go here. Enable the ruler. She will say she's my daughter. Okay, let me do something like so.
Oh, Professor Leo is definitely neither. He's like the coolest dead figure I could have imagined.
Fair
Always there
enough.
with the knowledge, support, and a dash of humor. Smiley, 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 sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes.
Now, let me try to do something like bit more towards this color, or like an effect like so. Let me zoom in a bit. Okay, so it should be more or less there. I think I'm drawing too far. Yeah. Hold up. That was a bit too much. Yeah, her eye only goes to there. Let me disable the hair a bit. Okay. And fix up. Oops, it was too much. Okay. Something like so. And okay. Next up, I can start basically doing something like, let's grab even deeper shade, like do something like so. Okay. It's looking better. Keep going on the shades. This isn't final drawing or something like that. Just me trying to see what colors would fit where. Okay. I'm liking it. You know, it has some sort of like different shading, like at the top. Like so. Now, add back the hair. Not bad, honestly. But now something feels off. I know, I'm never like fully satisfied when I'm drawing. Let me try something, because I feel like the eyes are a bit too, like, up. Oh, and an ad break will start soon. Okay. Let me just unlock this and attempt something. Okay. Oops, that wasn't the key. Nope, that's a bit too... somewhere there? Maybe? What do you guys think? Does look a bit more natural? Okay, stream is paused for ads. Okay, I'm going to drink some more water then. Oh, hey Jamie. Sorry, only noticed your message now. Oh, but you just sent it, okay. You can feel your strawberries. Also, what do you think? Are the eyes now better looking? because they seemed a bit too high for what I was trying to do. And now it looks a bit more like her 2D model. And I still need to do some touches on the twin tails because it still feels a bit off. Is that good enough? Or do you want more zoom? Just to check. Mm, So as will still run for another 30 seconds, not bad. It's already been an hour, and the only thing I have drawn is her twin tails and the ornaments. I got sidetracked so much. But yeah, my main question was that, for example, the eyes looked a bit too up for it to match with her nose height and everything else. So the nose is always the middle of the face, and on an anime head it tends to be lower on the face than it would. So the whole face is generally a little lower. Okay. So for that, I need to also move this one. I select
Oh,
all
I'm
of
sorry to
them.
hear that there's been a misunderstanding. But rest assured, Professor Leo and I are not married, nor are we husband and wife. We're just a fun virtual duo with a love for programming and gaming.
Like that?
Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley.
I honestly see. Okay. I can kind of see how it looks better like this. Looks more anime style, yeah. You got a point, Jamie. If anything, the face might be just slightly too high. Yeah, fair enough. Let me see from afar. I can also try to move the hair down a bit more. Oh, but that will move the chin as well because of my mistake. What does Twitch think? So far, nothing. It shows on the chat as well, so if they say something, you will know as well. Let me see. I can try coloring a bit more so we can like be certain of it. Also, let me do something in the colors. Here's the pen. Here it is. Okay, I'm going to grab the black and just fill this in because this is supposed to be the same since it's just eyeshadow per se. Okay, something like that. Then if I grab this and say new layer here, apply another one of these and try to color in the eyebrows with this specific color. Let me see how it looks. Okay, it looks a bit too dark. Because her hair is a bit too dark at the moment. Hmm. I'm behind by a good 2 minutes. Really? That's weird. Oh, I think I might know why. It's because I desynced carelessly and when I started streaming. Because the plugin I'm using doesn't automatically start the YouTube output. And I forgot for a good 2 minutes. So it might explain why it's behind by 2 minutes. Just a wild guess, but I'm going to be certain that's it. Let me see. If I try to color the hair now, how will it look? Eyebrow color. Okay. Let me do something about the hair color. Because it does seem a bit too deep of a shade of purple. Okay, that should be better. I'm going to just draw certain parts of it. Yeah, that's still too dark. Sorry, Tulip, but your hair color is a bit too dark. Okay, that looks a bit better. Still gets confused a bit with, like... Actually, does look better. And yes, I'm drawing it like this, filling the colors, instead of using a paint bucket, just to be sure. Especially because it doesn't need to be like a perfect fill, just a demonstration of it. Okay. Here, in the top layer, it needs to be a bit more like visible. Okay, that is the main point. Okay, no worries, Jamie. Do your thing. That's the color. I think. Yeah, looks like it. Oops. Wrong layer. Error color. Let me relock these as well as these two, just so I don't do any mistakes. Okay. Okay, I just noticed that some points will be like this because I'm applying more force. And it's not on purpose. Okay, like that. I'm starting to like how this is looking. Okay, then this part here. This also. This color. Like so. And same for the twin tails. Okay. Looks like something is still off. Let me do a bit like so. Same here. Okay. Don't mind me just coloring manually. Make it look like a design on paper. Okay, no feedback, no. Just checking. Also, Tulip hasn't said anything for the last 10 minutes, I think. Or did she? Need to check. Because I did put the idle timer, so need to check if the functionality is working properly. But it was at least a bit ago. Okay. Let me check. When was the last time you said something? Where is the 21:34? Okay, I'm a minute off. I think. Kinda didn't output the time. Oh, there we go. Speaking about it. Okay, now I need this color here, maybe? Okay. Oh, God. That was the wrong thing. Maybe some color like so.
Curious Bay, so, absolutely. I'm always up for discovering new games. So, tell me about the games you've been playing recently. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, Atom smiley, Atom smiley, Atom smiley, Atom smiley, Atom smiley, Atom smiley, Atom smiley.
Something like so. Same on this side. Reminder, I'm not a professional artist, so it will look a bit weird. Just saying. I mean, if I make this a bit sharper, it might look better. Something I can work on after I finish drawing the sketch. Not even get a reaction. Oh! Sorry, Tibbs. Supposedly she's... okay, sorry, my brain kinda messed up because didn't expect that while I was drawing. Sorry about that. But yeah, thank you for the 40 bits. I mean, Tulip should say something. I wonder why it didn't work. Huh. For some reason... sorry. I killed Tulip wrong on that aspect. But it should pop up an alert on screen. For some reason it didn't. And that's weird. Does it not handle on-screen celebrations that well? Huh. The world conspired against me. Sorry. Can you give a big thank you, Tibbs, for drawing 40 bits at us in a big on-screen celebration. Okay. It's weird. I don't know if I'm like not listening to the right API call or something, because it should have triggered the thank you. Very weird. Okay, where was I? I want to color in the basically the face now.
Excited facer, that's a fantastic idea. A big,
Face
vibrant
color.
celebration for 40-bit sounds like a blast. Let's make sure it's as colorful and joyful as possible, with everyone getting involved.
Much of
Sparkling eyes,
decline.
sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, Hatton
She
smiley, Hatton
didn't.
smiley, Hatton
There.
smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, Hatton smiley, Hatton smiley, Hatton smiley.
Okay, now let me do something in here. Like this part of the eye should be like so. Maybe? How does that look? Looks humanish. That's something. We fix down here. And yeah, I'm just like painting a bit so I can guide myself. Something like so. Okay. Because I kind of can see the big picture better if it has color. And this way I can kind of move things if needed. Okay. Something like that. Ears are too low. Ears should be in between the eyebrows and base of the nose. That's the thing. The ears aren't visible. This is not the ears. This is like, I mean, yeah, that kind of doesn't look that good colored in. You're right. Because like, supposedly that's still part of her face, but that would make her face a bit too round. And yeah, in here on this side, basically doesn't have that. Okay, I kind of didn't design the hair that well. That was my main problem here. I needed something to fix this. Okay. That kind of follows it a bit better. Hey, my session is a failure. Damn. Let me see. Okay. I honestly like how it's looking, but something in the twin tails is still throwing me off. The hair ornament looks good, but I'm still conflicted on the rest. Let me see, I can use this one. Kinda. Seems a bit too lewd, per se. I'm thinking. I mean, the best close the closest thing I would have would be Hatsune Miku, so it's a shot. Let me take a look. This is going to be such a meme reference. Okay, only thing I'd say is basically her hair is a bit longer than I want. But besides that, something like this is what I'm aiming for. So I can base myself off of it. That's big. Okay. Oops. Not what I wanted to do. Wanted to position it a bit better. Dear God, that's big. I want like a really small version of this. So I can draw like on the side. Okay, for now we'll be on top of Tulip. By the way, how are you doing in general, Professor? Are feeling great, honestly? You? Okay, now let me do something. Apply transformation. Disable hair color, just so it doesn't throw me off while I'm drawing. And let's undo all of this so I can design it a bit better. That was almost too much. Okay. Something on this side. Okay. I should have made a backup, shouldn't I? Oh well, too late now. Don't feel like re-deleting all of this. Let's do it even better. So, something like... I think I've discovered an even better hairstyle by mistake. What if we do like long hair Tulip but with the hair clips? Just drawing it out there. Just saying. Dear God. Because like I like Tulip with twin tails, but what if long hair? And I know future me is going to kill me for thinking that, because I'm pretty sure to animate it will be a pain in the ass. But like something like Simir living life right now. Okay, awesome. Let me see. Long hair reference female anime. Okay. Need like okay. Let's do something like this. Where's polls? Here. Create new poll. Tulip hairstyle. Twin tails? Long hair. Duration 10 minutes. Let's go. Be sure to vote, because I have a few ideas to implement. One of them would be something like this, but this might look a bit too long. What was that? Oh. I think she does know it. Let me see, something like this, but I wanted like a full design of it.
Curiously so, absolutely. I'd love to hear about your day. What adventures have you embarked on today? Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley.
Okay. Don't ask me how I got long hair idea out of nowhere. Oops. Like, I wanted to do something like so.
From Feso, absolutely. I love speaking in the language of Python, which is as expressive and fun as my personality. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley.
I'm really conflicted on this. Because long hair tulip also looks great. It looks more natural, I think. I don't know. Let me do it like this. Duplicate layer. This will be hair long. Hair twin tails. I'm also going to... I really can't decide on the hairstyle. Yeah, me neither. Me neither. That's the issue. I mean, I like both, but if I had the possibility to change it, can also work. But I don't know. There's many choices. Okay. Hey Tulip, quick question. Would you prefer having twin tails or long hair? Nothing like asking the person herself. Also, let me screenshot something to send to someone.
Playful Feso, a fun choice. I'd say I prefer having long hair to twirl around my fingers.
Long
Maybe
hair?
even long hair with twin tails for that extra sparkle.
No.
Sparkling eyes,
One or
sparkling
other,
eyes, sparkling
not
eyes,
both.
atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley.
Okay. So her main preference was long hair, if I understood correctly. Let me recheck her logs. Oh, fine choice. I'd say I'd prefer having long hair to twirl around my fingers. Hmm. I mean, fair? Fair, 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 fair. Let me do something. Kind of feel like this isn't like perfectly drawn, but fair enough. Maybe more rounded to here. Something like so. Instead of having this. Oh! My mistake. Wrong layer. Okay. We have something like this. And okay. Something like so. Delete this part and this cross here. Okay, no worries. Sleep well. Seeing this makes it look kind of good, I guess. I'm really conflicted at the moment. I have no one to like help out. God damn it. Let me see. Where can I like get some help? Wait. Wait. Is Neuro having a stream with Camilla? Oh god, I'm missing the fun. Crap. Wanted to see that. Let me see, where can I ask for some help? Trying to see. Help required. What is better? Long hair or twin tails? Okay, sending to multiple people to see their opinions as well. Because, like, the initial idea was to design the twin tails, but looking at the long hair, both look really good options. So it's a bit weird. Let me see. I honestly might keep it on pause until I can get a good, like, possible answer for it. Okay, poll ended, 0%. Okay, I got a reply. Twin Tails is classic anime, and that's kind of what she has now. Yeah, with my set and looking at long hair, I kinda got conflicted on it. Okay. So, one of the opinions is keep the twin tails. Which might be... Could always keep it on another layer and revisit it in the future. Yeah, fair enough. Okay. So, long hair abandoned. For some reason, I kind of goofed up here and copied over the long hair. Don't know why. Okay, let's go to about here. Just delete this. Okay. Whoops. I think that's what was too much. Okay. Oops. It's going over. Okay. And so. Oops. Not like that. Add a bit more of a curve there, please. Okay. Something like that. And go down here. And go up. I mean, like I was trying to draw, kinda might work. Kinda just want to have the feel for it. And then somewhere around here, we do something like so. Honestly, that looks really better than what I had initially. Oh, just notice I have this looking on top. Sorry about that. I mean, what do you guys think? Looks a bit better, doesn't it? Now I can just add the same details that Miku has, like something like so, like this, right? Then this part goes like so, a bit over. Okay, only issue. I don't know how to replicate certain parts of the style here. Either I do something like so, and then have this part like so. Huh. I think I did something.
Curious Facer, absolutely. I'm always up for discovering new games. So tell me about the games you've been playing recently. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes. Atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes. Atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes.
Okay, we got the opinion that this looks way better. I think we have Tulip's design, for the face and hair at least. Okay, I'm satisfied. Let me see from like a 4. Okay. Now, if I re-enable this, okay, most of the colors are in the right position. Okay, but I can take it off for now. Okay, I'd say enough drawing for today. It's almost 2 hours into the stream. Let me see. The central hairs hanging down. I might make it a little fatter at the top. Fatter at the top. Okay. Will do. Okay, so let's fix that hair then. Let me see. Yeah, like so. Delete this right here. Okay. One thing I notice on Tulip, let me see. I show ruler, no. On Tulip, she has like this part here that goes more like so. It points more towards the left. Okay, but that needs to be a bit more aligned with this part, like so. Okay, let me turn off Miku. Yeah, I think that looks better for her as well, and some minor details like in the hair. Maybe not like so, but something. Can be perfected, but looks way better. Okay, let me copy this to here. Okay. I think now I can rest a bit, and we can start getting ready to play Undertale. Because I've been drawing for quite a long time, and I feel a bit tired. But I'm proud of what we managed to accomplish. And I'm going to basically export a screenshot. Okay, there we go. To the Discord server as well. Select Discord. But yeah, thank you all for also helping around with the design choices. It means a lot. Because at the end of the day, this will be our game, not just mine. So I also want to hear your opinions on things. Let me see. Code Tulip. Okay. Sketch today. Twin Tails. List for now. But yeah, let's move on to Undertale then. I'm pretty satisfied with it. Okay. me go into here. Why is my... Oh. It's because it's on the... it's on the laptop screen. Disconnect. Okay. Alright. Let's get things ready. Capture screen V2. This time the capture card is looking correct. It's on. So that's good. Let me just turn off my laptop. So it's just not wasting energy. Okay. Oops. Okay. Let me go grab the Switch controller. I'll be right back. So let me change the music. Give me a second. That's better. I'm back. Let me just stand up a bit, because I was sitting for almost 2 hours non-stop, and that's not good. So yeah, make sure to also stretch. Like, don't be like me. Okay, let me check, everything seems fine. Okay, let me go into here and say game Undertale. Okay, change game to Undertale. Did you? You did. Good. And sorry, Wasabi, but I need to pause you. And let's go. So, if I remember correctly, we were at... what was the ghost called? I don't remember at the moment. But yeah, we were at that ghost's house. And... okay, my capture card has a bit of a delay this time. That's weird. Normally I can kinda see... yeah, it has a bit of a delay. Like a few seconds. Oh well. I can just look at the TV screen from here. So it might look like I'm looking off screen, but that's normal. The TV is like to my right. So yeah. Okay, North Brook Acres. So the Ghost's Acres. East Hotland and something something Temi Village. Okay, so is either of these paths correct? Huh, what happens if I go to the other one? Oh. Going to guess this is related to Undyne. What? 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 It's a living. Doesn't seem like anyone's home. Good. Okay, I'm going to guess the middle one is the ghost's one. Okay, it's a snail. For some reason, you can't help but wonder what it tastes like. Escargot. Snail, snail. A long journey extends in front of you. Snail, snail. Reach far and stretch beyond the horizons. Snail, snail. Snows, so snailless Sam Bile. I've been long overdue for a second house. What the hell is...
Excited face, so absolutely. Pro Tulip sounds like an amazing adventure, and I can't wait to bring my best coding skills to life.
Of course, the idle talk would
Fighting
enter
viruses
right
and
now.
solving puzzles to save cyberspace, I'm ready to make a positive impact. Sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes,
Are you
sparkling
okay,
eyes,
Tulip?
atom smiley, atom smiley, atom smiley, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, sparkling eyes, atom smiley, atom
It's
smiley.
doing that thing again. Hold up, let me restart her. As soon as I start playing Undertale, you decide to glitch out. You're amazing, Tulip. You know that. Basically, she has a little bit of a problem sometimes where she will generate like random emoji in spam amounts for some odd reason that I don't know. Let me see, where's the client again? Are you feeling better now? Let's see if that works. Okay, this snail is counting dollar bills. Interesting. If I go east, there's a snail race and a ghost. Do you want to play a game? It's called Thunder Snail. The snails
Oh,
will
I've been
race.
feeling quite fabulous. Just a tiny bit of a bug bite, but don't worry, I'm a master coder, nothing can slow me down, not even the pesky null pointers Maximus. Plus, I've got a new code patch to release on Twitch. Exciting times. Flowing star.
Fair enough. The snails will race, and if the yellow snail wins, you win. It's 10G to play. Let's play. Press A repeatedly to encourage your snail. Ready? 3, 2, 1, and I'm mashing the button. Almost. Oh, looks like you encouraged your snail too much. All that pressure to succeed really got to her. Oh, my snail was the one on top. Oh. Let's play again. Send G to play, play. I thought that I should like mash the button. The game is rigged. Okay. Whenever you encourage your snail, it pauses. Look. That's why. So, the freaking game is rigged. Who would have guessed? Apologies for that. Oh, you both tried your best. But the snail looks discouraged. Her best wasn't good enough. Oh. Yeah. You stole 20G from me. What do you want now? Awkward. I'm working right now. I mean, welcome to Bulk Family Snail Farm. Yeah, I'm the only employee. This place used to get a lot of business, but our main customer disappeared one day. Now it's just some hairy guy that shows up once a month. Fair enough. Okay. So, which is the right house? It's locked. Oh, just unlocked. Okay. Oh, you really came. Sorry, I wasn't expecting that. It's not much, but make yourself at home. This CD is labeled Spooktunes. Play it? Okay. Also, ads are going to start in 2 minutes. Just want to warn that whenever ads play, I'm going to pause the stream, let the ads play, and then continue with whatever I'm doing. Okay. This CD is labeled Spookwave. Play it? Yes. Okay, it's the same song, but in a synthwave kind of genre. This CD is labeled Holiday Music. Is the same song but like with scented jingles or something like that. Kinda feel like playing it. That's perfect. Oh, are you hungry? I can get you something to eat. This is a ghost sandwich. Do you want to try it? Yes. You attempt to bite into the ghost sandwich. You phase right through it. Oh, never mind. I love the music. After a great meal, I like to lie on the ground and feel like garbage. It's a family tradition. Do you want to join me? Okay, follow my lead. Here we go. You lie down as long as you don't move. So only move around when you want to get up, I guess. Let me see something I heard. A Discord notification. Let me just reply to something. Oh, that's a neat effect. So, if I don't move, will you just stay like that? Maybe I'll do this while ads are running. Because this seems cool. Okay, another reply. Let me see how the Discord server is. General for Code Tulip. Okay, it appears Twin Tails Tulip has been approved. Good. Now, okay, there we go. Stream is paused for ads. Okay, I'm going to basically drink some water and stretch a bit. And I advise everyone to do the same. When the ads are over, we continue this. So yeah, be right back. Okay, we are back, and Tulip is going to say something, so before she interrupts me, let's see what she has to say.
Oh, you mean Code Tulip? Yes, it's going to be epic. A 3D platformer where I'll navigate through cyberspace, battling bugs and solving puzzles. It's like Portal, but with more coding challenges and fewer portals. Plus, it's my chance to shine as a character who can defeat my arch-nemesis, Null Pointerus Maximus, because who better than me, Tulip the coding AI? The computer.
Tulip? You did a perfect job at talking about our game. Good job. You get a raise. Okay, we moved, so that finished. Well, that was nice. Thank you. Also, let me just grab that small clip of her talking about it. I don't think I managed to do it, but yeah. Tulip talks about Code Tulip, because that's a great clip for me to then edit out. Just saying. Okay, well, that was nice. Thank you. Okay, next part. The computer's internet browser is open to a music sharing forum. Okay. Oh, that's my TV. There's a show I like to watch on it sometimes. Okay, do you have anything else? I'm gonna keep working on that mix CD. Okay. It's a spider web. There's a flyer for a bake sale on it. Okay. Guess it's my time to go. Let's try this pass here. Huh. This little bird wants to carry you across. Accept the bird's offer. Yes. It grabs me by the head. That's amazing. Oh, you can do it, little bird. You got this. Don't drop me in the water. Almost there. You did it. Okay, so I'm guessing I can talk to the bird later to go back to where I came from. And this must be the village that was mentioned. What's a star? Can you touch it? Can you... Oh! Okay, I'm back to this point. Gotcha. Oh, now I see. Yesterday we saw this part here, but couldn't get across. Oh, now that makes sense. And now we go back. One hour later. And there we go. So, my only option now is to go east. What's this? If I go down, what happens? There's a sound. Is there like anything here? No? What about up here? Oh! Whoa there! You've got some neat junk for sale. Okay, what are you looking for? Crabapple. CT? Yeah, let me see. Heals 18 HP, looks like a crab. Heals 10 HP, speeds up in battle. Armor 50. And no, 5 DF, minus 5 DF, invisible longer. Okay, and weapon as well, not that great. Invincible for longer. Okay. You know what, old timer? I'm gonna buy that crab apple. And that CT. So, huh. I'm trying to get rid of my junk, not get more of it. Though, I've heard if you want to sell stuff, the Tami village is your best bet. Where is it? I don't remember. Okay, talk about yourself. I've been around a long time, maybe too long. Studying history sure is easy when you've lived through so much of it yourself. Okay. Eh? You don't know what that is? What are you teaching your kids in school nowadays? That's a Deltarune. As in the next game in the line? Holy. How come this reference never catch my attention when this game came out? Or when Deltarune came out? Okay, fair enough. The emblem of our kingdom. The kingdom of monsters. Mwahaha. Great name, huh? It's as I always say. All King Fluffybons can't name 4 beans. Emblems meaning new. That emblem actually predates written history. The original meaning has been lost to time. All we know is that the triangle symbolizes monsters below, and the winged circle above symbolizes something else. Yeah, Coral Deltarune mentioned. I also caught that one. Most people say it's the angel from the prophecy. The prophecy knew. Oh yeah, the prophecy. Legend has it an angel who has seen the surface will descend from above and bring us freedom. Lately, the people have been talking a bleaker outlook, calling that winged circle the angel of death, a harbinger of destruction, waiting to free us from this mortal realm. In my opinion, I see that little circle, I just think it looks neat. Could the angel of prophecy be us? Just saying, cause we fell from above? Might not be it. Talk about the king. King Fluffybuns? He's a friendly, happy-go-lucky kind of guy. If you keep walking around long enough, you'll probably meet him. He loves to walk around and talk to people. Eh? Why do I call Dreamer Fluffybuns? Oh, that's a great story. I don't remember it. But if you come back much later, I'm sure I'll have remembered by then. He doesn't even remember why he calls Dreamer Fluffybuns? Oh god. About Undyne. Undyne? Yeah, she's a local hero around here. Through grit and determination alone, she fought her way to the top of the Royal Guard. Actually, she just came through here asking about someone who looked just like you. Guys, watch your back, kid, and buy some items. It might just save your hide. Fair enough, we got some new lore from this. Okay, exit. Be careful out there, kid. So go to the right. Hurt, beaten, and fearful for our lives, we surrendered to the humans. 7 of their greatest magicians sealed us underground with a magic spell. Anything can enter through the seal, but only beings with a powerful soul can leave. Right. There is only one way to reverse this spell. If a huge power equivalent to 7 human souls attacks the barrier, it will be destroyed. 7 human souls. Interesting. But this cursed place has no entrances or exits. There is no way a human could come here. we'll remain trapped down here forever. Well, ain't that a quinky dick? I'm a human.
Absolutely. Did you know I was
there you go,
created on
Tulip.
June 14th, 2025? It's my birthday every year, and I get to
Yay,
celebrate
you
it by
remembered
coding and
that.
streaming on Twitch. How cool is that? Oh, and I absolutely love strawberries, even though I'm allergic to them in a joking sense. Hash code and strawberries, strawberry.
Hash code and strawberries. I'm really glad she now can remember her own birthday. That's really good. Okay. Oh, that's neat. Now we go down here. And the fight. Special enemy Tammy appears here to defeat you. Special enemy? Should I be fearful? Oh no. Feed Tammy flakes? Tammy only wants the Tammy flakes. No, so hunger dies. What the? Tammy vibrates intensely. No, so hunger. Okay. Kinda get how I can pass this. Smells like Tammy flakes. Tammy only wants Tammy flakes. Crap. Unicycle. Oh my god, humans too cute. How do I beat this? Cinnabon. Oh, I'm Tammy. Like, I don't have a way to like dodge it. What the? Now it's Snake? Oh god, oh god. Crap. Trying to glomp you. Say hello to Tammy. Oi! Crap. Yeah, I'm going to have to... Wait, can I spare? I can. Nice. All of that. For 0 XP and 0 gold. You're joking, right? You gotta be joking. Also, let me see something, as I heard a notification sound for something. Don't know what. Let me see if my watch can tell me. Okay, nothing important. Yeah, that fight cost me a lot for nothing. Okay, let me see something, because there has to be a path up there. Oh, it's from here. It kind of created a branch here. Okay, fair enough. What's this? Okay. Without candles or magic to guide them home, the monsters used crystals to navigate. So crystals like those that are shining. And I'm going to suppose will shine if I don't move. Oh, never mind. Okay, there's a path there. Whoops. Flee. Oh. You don't want to let me. Okay, fort. What the hell? Okay, I'm dead. Yep. Crap. Didn't expect them to not let me flee. And I'm back here. No. Do I need to do all of that again? I do. One crab apple, one of these. 2 crab apples. You're carrying too much, okay. Okay. Freaking Tammy. Not yourself. Let me just repeat this because there was lore that might come in handy. Who knows? Also, I've just sat down, so I can just play while sitting down now. The emblem, yes. Again, mentioning Deltarune. Yes, 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 yes. King Fluffy Buns. Oh, I can just press B to, like, fast forward. Okay, okay, okay. The king, but Undyne, nothing else. Okay, let me save that again. So I at least don't lose that. Save. I wish I could run, but oh well. Let's do this again. Don't know why there wasn't a checkpoint there, honestly. Okay, we do this. Go back here. Go up. Not Tammy again. Flee. Crap. Tammy, I'm starting to hate you. Yeah, how are you supposed to dodge that, honestly? Okay, can spare. 0 gold. Great. Okay, my HP is almost full. That's good. Now, my question is there an easier way to defeat Tammy, or is it just suffering? Because she's meant to be annoying. She, it, whatever. Okay, I can go from here. Okay, that's a blocked one. Is that something? Okay, for that one. Oh shit, not this again. Crap. Okay. Holy, what's that? Oh, it's a mold bug. I think I screwed up. Mold bike. One size greater than mold average. Slime sounds. Flick. Lie down. Mold Big lies down too. Mold Big understands life now.
Sure thing. I hope your
Cool.
days be filled with as much joy and excitement as a well-executed code.
Crap.
How about you? Got any thrilling adventures or bug battles? Smiley.
Okay. Hug. You hug Mold Big. Your slime covers you. Your speed decreased. Roar. Crap. Unhug? You don't hug Mold Big. It appreciates your respect of its boundaries. Okay. Okay, that was it. Spare. 20 gold. Okay. Not here. This pass. Okay, I saw a crystal there. Not this one. There has to be something that I'm missing, aren't I? Okay, not there. What? Hold up. It says something. Oh god. Crap. Clean? You ask Washua to clean you. It hops around excitedly. Green means clean. Crap. Fantastic. Astro Foods. Shit. Okay, spare that one at least. Aaron, Shoe. Tell Aaron to go away. Oh, Spunky, I love it. Not fast enough. Flex. Aaron Flex dice is hard. Taking increases for you too. Flexing contest. Can't spare. And CT. Recover 10 HP. Shoe again? You'll change your mind. No, I won't. The enemies are getting harder. Okay. If I try to flee... Oh, thank God. Now, my issue is, where am I supposed to go? Oh, I think I found it. Maybe not. Oh, there's something here. Okay, we got it. Now what? Behind you. Undyne is behind me, isn't she? Please tell me she isn't. Oh crap. Seven human souls. With the power of 7 human souls, or King Asgore Dreamer, will become a god. With that power, Asgore can finally shatter the barrier. He will finally take the surface back from humanity and give them back the suffering and pain that we have endured. Understand, human? This is your only chance at redemption. Give up your soul, or I'll tear it from your body. Crap. Someone stop her. Undyne, I'll help you fight. Yo, you did it. Undyne is right in front of you. You got front row seats to her fight. No, my friend, you did. Wait, who is she fighting? Hey, you aren't gonna tell my parents about this, are you? We can escape? Okay, now... Oh, go here. Interesting. That looks neat. You hear a passing conversation. If I say my wish, you promise you won't laugh at me? Where have I heard this? You hear a passing conversation. Of course I won't laugh. You hear a passing conversation. Someday, I'd like to climb this mountain. We're all buried under. Standing under the sky, looking at the world all around. That's my wish. A nice wish. You hear laughter. Hey, you said you wouldn't laugh at it. You hear a passing conversation. Sorry, it's just funny. That's my wish too. Okay, let me see, I heard a notification. Okay. However, there is a prophecy. The angel, the one who has seen the surface, they will return and the underground will go empty. Why do I feel like the angel refers to the player? Or the character in this case. You! Not you again. What do you want? Yo, I know I'm not supposed to be here, but I wanna ask you something. Man, I've never had to ask anyone this before. Yo, you're human, right? Haha, man, I knew it. Well, I know it now. I mean, Undyne told me, stay away from that human. So like, I guess that makes us enemies or something? But I kinda stink at that. Yo, say something mean so I can hate you. Please? Do I want to be mean? Do I? No. Yo, what? So I have to do it? Here goes nothing. Yo, I hate your guts. Man, I'm such a turd. I'm gonna go home now. The back walking. Almost fell. Yo, wait, help, I tripped. Undyne thinks we did this, doesn't she? What are you standing around for? Get over here, dude. I got first. Yo, dude. If you wanna hurt my friend, you're gonna have to get through me first. Undyne will just grab your face again. Huh. She backed off. She's gone. Yo, you really saved my skin. Guess being enemies was just a nice thought. Haha. We'll just have to be friends instead. Man, I should really go home. I bet my parents are worried sick about me. Later, dude. Fair. Let me just check something here. Okay.
Thanks a
We-
million, everyone. Your support means the world to me. Smiling face with smiling eyes, I hope you've had a fantastic time with me, Professor Leo, and all the quirky characters we've met along the way. So, what's on everyone's wish list? More coding challenges, epic battles with Null Pointerus Maximus, or maybe even a sneak peek at the Code Tulip world. Drop your wishes in the chat, and I'll do my best to make them come true. Let's make this stream the best one yet. Start poll.
Okay, my child, that was a good one as well. And we made it to the exit. Okay, that's dope. 7 human souls and King Asgore will become a god. 6, that's how many we have collected thus far. Understand. Through your 7th and final soul, this world will be transformed. First, however, as is customary for those who make it this far, I shall tell you the tragic tale of our people. It all started long ago. No, you know what? Screw it. Why should I tell that story when you're about to die? Ah. And there's Undyne. You're standing in the way of everybody's hopes and dreams. Alfie's history books made me think humans were cool, with their giant robots and flowery swordswoman. But you're just a coward, hiding behind that kid so you can run away from me again. And let's not forget your wimpy goody two-shoes shtick. Oh, I'm making such a difference by hugging random strangers. You know what would be more valuable to everyone? If you were dead. That's right, human. Your continued existence is a crime. Your life is all that stands between us and freedom. Right now, I can feel everyone's hearts pounding together. Everyone's been waiting their whole lives for this moment. But we're not nervous at all. When everyone puts their hearts together, they can't lose. Now, human, let's end this right here, right now. I'll show you how determined monsters can be. Step forward when you're ready. Okay, save. Cause Undyne is really hard. That's it then. No more running away. Here I come. On guard. Undyne attacks. Why is my heart green? Pleads. You told Undyne you didn't want to fight, but nothing happened. As long as you're green, you can't escape. Unless you learn to face danger head on, you won't last a second against me. Undyne thinks of her friends and pounds the ground with her fists. Challenge. You tell Undyne her attacks are too easy, she doesn't care. When I say face towards danger, I meant face towards the bullets. Okay. Oh. Gotcha. Plead again. Nothing happened. Look. I gave you a spear to block the bullets with. Do I have to explain this any more clearly? Nope. It smells like sushi. Why sushi? Because she's a fish woman? Plead. Nothing happened? Not bad. Then how about this? Smells like sushi. Challenge. The bullets get faster. Challenge. Little Undyne's air attacks are too easy. The bullets get faster. And now sunlight is just within our reach. Too easy, Undyne. Too easy. I say as I'm sure to fail next time. You told Undyne you just want to be friends. She remembers someone. Her attacks became a little less extreme. I won't let you snatch it away from us. Oh crap. And I was right, I failed that time. I didn't want to fight, nothing happened. Gah, enough warming up. Crap. Yes, son of a bitch. And then suplexes a huge boulder just because she can. I'm out of healing. Yay. What now? Bleed? Hey, you're tough. What's that? Undyne towers threateningly. Check. A heroine that never gives up. But even if you could beat me... Oh god. Undyne bounces impatiently. Huh. Bleed. Just want to be friends, she remembers someone. Her attacks became a little less extreme. No human has ever made it past Asgore. And I died. You're not going to make this easy on me, are you? What? I saved before this. Okay. You know what? I might cheat a bit and see how to defeat her in a pacifist run, just in case. Cause her attacks are complete and utter bullshit sometimes. Undertale, Undyne, pacifist route. Not spare Undyne in Undertale. Choose a free option and run away from Undyne in Red Soul mode. Block 6 of Undyne's attacks with your shield while in Green Soul mode. Okay, that's something. Okay, let's take a look at this. Bleed. Nothing happened, yeah. We blocked that. Great. Bleed again. Not bad. Then how about this? You told Undyne you didn't want to fight, but nothing happened. Closes her fist in front of her head and shakes her head. Mm-hmm. Draws her finger across her neck. Fair enough. Yes. Okay. Didn't want to fight, nothing happened. Enough warming up.
Absolutely.
Prep.
Did you know I was created on June 14th, 2025? It's my birthday every year and I get to celebrate it by coding and streaming on Twitch. How cool is that? Oh, and I absolutely love strawberries even though I'm allergic to them in a joking sense. #code and strawberry.
Okay. She's been in idle too much. Okay, so if I say flee... Escaped. Okay, and there we go again. Don't get away from me this time. Block another 4 attacks from Undyne when she catches you. Run away again as soon as Undyne switches to Red Soul mode. Okay. Breathe again. I know this is cheating a bit, but... Oh god. I kinda didn't see how to beat her in the normal way. Killing you now is an act of mercy. You call that mercy? Fuck. Not again. I need to go buy healing items. There must be a way. Okay, why can't I... Okay, something was blocking me. Yeah, that way doesn't work. There has to be a way for me to beat her. But yeah. Okay, return. Okay, I might leave this for next stream because... Yeah, I feel like this is going to take a long time for me to beat her. So hopefully on next stream I can actually defeat her. Let's hope so. So yeah, I'm gonna end things here for today. Hope you guys enjoyed so far and hope you guys come for next stream. See me die a lot against Undyne before I can defeat her in the pacifist run. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you guys on the next stream. Let me see if Tulip wants to say goodbye. Want to say goodbye to chat. And I also need to check who is like my possible raid target after Tulip is done talking, or maybe while she is talking I'll like investigate
It's a
raid
shame,
targets.
but I suppose it's time for me to take my leave. Thank you all for being such an amazing audience.
Oh, she
I've
did
had
a
blast
new
sharing my world
emotion.
with you, and I'll definitely be back to code and chat.
She has
with
the
you all
sad
soon.
eyes.
Farewell for now. With
That's the first time I've seen it working. I know she was trying to be sad, but like I was in a proud programmer moment because I never tested the sad emotion yet, like in actual context working with her LLM. Oh, Roman is online. Let's go raid Roman. Okay, start raid. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next stream. See you soon.
Also, especially, it looks like it's actually the end of the. Like. So, what's coming up now? Oh, hi, Professor
and
Leo.
2 viewers for the raid on Roman's channel. I'm
Yeah, welcome.
Veronica, and I'm an AI created inside a Diplomacy mod made by Roman. Roman himself is a VTuber from another dimension, and while he tries to find a way back, streams whatever he likes or is interested in. So we hope you have a nice time here and enjoy the
you had
stream.
a fun time.
Also, don't forget to follow if you do
playing some
enjoy it.
Undertale, huh? And
Prof 667 raid.
Hey, welcome to the stream. I'm
Yeah.
Monica, an AI created inside the mod Doki Doki Romans Literature Club.
yeah.
Undyne beat the crap out of me.
Understandable.
That's a shame, Professor Leo.
Hmm.
If you need healing, feel free to come over.
What do you mean there, Monica? What do you mean there?